how to fix Instagram chats not showing in less than 1 minute. So hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings, go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to scroll all the way until you find Instagram, click on it, and then you have to click on this force stop right here. After you click on the force stop, now go to the notifications management. Make sure that all notifications are enabled. And after that, go back, click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled again. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Now you have just to turn off your phone, turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.